Welcome to the Dr. Gospel channel of Environment. Today, we're decoding our planet's literally vital life support systems.
So let's dive in. Do you actually know the real differences between these three super common terms?
First up, the environment. It's basically everything around you, living and non-living, that influences life. But ecology, famously named by Ernst Haeckel in 1866, is the actual scientific study of those relationships. And an ecosystem? That's the functional space where all that interaction actually happens, detailed by E.P. Odum. This perfectly explains habitat versus niche. A frog's habitat is just the physical pond it lives in. But its niche? That's its actual job, like eating pesky bugs and being lunch for snakes. Ecosystems are either wild and natural, like forests, or totally artificial and human-managed, like your home aquarium. Inside these systems, energy flows up through trophic levels, moving straight from producers right up to top carnivores. But here's the catch, the 10% law. Only 10% of energy actually makes it up. Okay, quick quiz time. Why is a basic food chain way less stable than a whole food web? Because if one single link vanishes, a chain breaks. Food webs provide crucial backup pathways for energy. Now, what about biomes? These are absolutely massive natural regions driven entirely by local temperature and rainfall. Unlike biomes, biogeographic realms were formed by continental drift, which caused totally isolated evolution, like Australia's kangaroos. So, how do ecosystems change over time? Through ecological succession, growing from pioneer species into climax communities. Primary succession starts on totally bare rock. With zero soil to work with, it is incredibly slow. Secondary succession happens after major disasters. Since the soil is already there, it bounces back much faster. Both start with the pioneer stage, where hardy lichens actually build soil for a balanced climax forest. Sadly, these beautifully balanced systems are under massive threat right now, from deforestation and extreme climate change. And the impacts are local. Erratic rainfall is directly triggering devastating monsoon landslides in hilly places like Mizoram. To track the endangered animals caught in this, scientists use population viability analysis to predict extinction risks. This makes protecting biodiversity hotspots super critical. These unique regions have tragically lost over 70% of their vegetation. In fact, India alone contains 4 crucial hotspots: the Himalaya, Indo-Burma, Western Ghats, and Sundaland. So why care? Because protecting these hotspots is absolutely vital for maintaining our entire global ecological stability. Will you take actionable steps like reducing your carbon footprint to protect these fragile ecosystems before they're gone?